Come, let me not do. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I want to para for all of you guys that are watching my videos and not subscribing to my channel. We'll start fighting on this YouTube. It's like the way we are doing it, we are doing. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If people don't like it again, is when we start fighting ourselves. We turn it to war. That is when people will begin to do the right thing. If you are watching my channel, make sure you subscribe to this channel. What is happening now? Let's hit 20,000 kilo shell gong. Okay guys, back to the normal me. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is where I give you content, interesting content, how to make money online. I teach you stuff, and I also help you, become a better version of yourself, and also teach you things that can I've forgotten. So guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, the Alpha Wolf channel, the Alpha Crypto Wolf channel, where we talk about how to make money online, how to develop yourself, and how to do things in a very easy way. So in this video, I'll be talking about something I've been talking about for a while now, ChatGPT, right? Have you ever tried to log into your ChatGPT in Nigeria and you are seeing something like ChatGPT is at capacity right now, get notified when we are back? They will now start telling you ChatGPT is at capacity. Then they will now put on the side ChatGPT plus subscriber login. Add your email for a personalized login link. Like they want to tell you to pay for the ChatGPT plus, because the ChatGPT server in Nigeria is always at capacity right now. See, let me tell you guys something. The truth is, these people, they just want us to do ChatGPT plus, but because you guys have me and I love you and I cannot discover something, I'll not let you know. I'm going to teach you guys how you can get access to the original ChatGPT. My last video I showed you a ChatGPT API that works like ChatGPT, the same thing, but this time around your normal ChatGPT, you will get it, and without any hassle, very simple. Please don't see, but you are watching this to reduce the volume small so that your neighbor will not hear. It is coded between you and I. Okay, so what you're going to do, you're going to start by downloading something. This browser is called Epic Privacy browser. Some people say Epic Privacy, although it's not privacy, it's privacy. Epic Privacy browser, right? Now when you go to that Epic Privacy browser, this first one, you're going to click on it where they say Epic Privacy browser is secure Chromium based web browser. You open it. When you open it, you're going to download it. I already have it though. You're going to download it. I'm going to show you what you will do. You're going to come here, this place that my mouse is roving around, download Epic. Now you're going to download it. If you have antivirus on your laptop and the antivirus is not allowing you to download the Epic, you have to go and close the antivirus. So that antivirus don't want you to progress. Okay, so you can close the antivirus for like few minutes. Then when you download and install the Epic, you can on your antivirus back. When you download the Epic browser, you install it. This is what you're going to see. You're going to see a browser like this, right? Epic browser. Now this Epic browser is very powerful. There are so many things you can do with Epic browser, but in my next video I'm going to teach you how you can use Epic browser to access any site and every site. I did that video one time. I had to take it down because my channel had like 2 issues. I was teaching some kind of thing and YouTube did not like it. So now that we have peace, I can try to make that video. But you guys should don't shout. If you are feeling this video so far, just comment I'm feeling you, because even me too, I'm in a happy mood in this video. And see, for those of you that watch this video and don't subscribe to this channel, we'll fight. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to, when you come to the Epic Privacy browser, you're going to come and click on these 3 dots. This one, it is like more option. When you click on it, you're going to come to this place, more tools, right? You're going to come to extension. You see what I did there? The 3 dots, the more option, more tools, you come to what? Extension. Now when you come to extension, you might not see this one, IDM integration module. We are going to see Epic ad blocker, Epic encrypted proxy VPN for browser. Watch this. You're going to click this one, this Epic encrypted proxy. English is hard. Epic encrypted proxy VPN for browser. This one, go click on. Now when you click it and you on it, it means you can change your location to anywhere in the world. When you click that here and you on it, you're going to see a sign here. This one, it will show green. But when you just download your browser, you will not see that green. You understand? But when you on that Epic encrypted proxy VPN for browser, it will show that green. Now once it shows that green, you are going to click on it. You will see locations of different country. You will see epic encrypted proxy on and off. Make sure it is on. You can off it and choose any country you want, and then you on it. So you can see that me, I'm using United States East Coast default. Just click on the on. If you go and check your location IP, is my IP location. Don't worry, people learn things in this channel. You don't want to subscribe, Abby? So when you click on that, where is my IP location? This one, locationip.net. Just click on that one. It's going to show you where you are browsing from. So that is where your system, your computer is reading you are browsing for. Do you look at it? So you say your location IP address is where? Virginia, United States. Come, don't go and use this thing to go and do scam. This is not me, I'm teaching you. Focus on how to use ChatGPT. Now you have your location is now Virginia, United States, which means any site you are trying to access, they think you are browsing from the United States. The next thing you are going to now do, very simple, you will now come to ChatGPT website, right? chatgpt.openai.com. When you come there, you're going to sign up, you're going to create your account, you're going to click on verify. Once you click on verify, you click on enter. I bet you, as far as that location is United States, OT open, you see it shock you. When you do that, the ChatGPT site will open. Then you can search for anything you want to search. Let's say I want to search for to eat rice. It's just a tutorial now. I don't even know what to search for. Click on enter. Your location is United States. How to eat rice. Now watch. Oh shit, you don't see how eating rice depends on the culture and the custom of the region you are in. But generally, yeah, there are a few basic steps to follow. Cook the rice. Alright, so they are teaching us how to eat what? Rice. Now if this video is sweet you, enter you, what you're going to do is you're going to hit that subscribe button for me now, like this. You turn the purpose notification on. You're going to leave a comment, you're going to like this video, and you share it to your friends, right? In my next video, I'm going to teach you something, introduction to affiliate marketing, like affiliate marketing for Nigerians. You know, when you want to start affiliate marketing, what should you look out for? Because I want to do an affiliate marketing challenge where we are going to, from $0, we're going to make money together. You know, I'm in a very happy mood right now. So back to back, I want to give you guys content that you enjoy. Then on the flip side, you can also do some trading videos in between, you know. But for now, let's just stop here. Bye for now. I love you guys. I really do love you guys. If you find this content helpful, just leave a comment. Thank you, will go a long way. I hope to see you in my next video. Alpha Wolf signing out.